Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I am here with a unique little haul of some things that were gifted to me by my mom and dad. Now, in our house that I grew up in, and then carried over to the home that they bought after we had graduated. My mom has had a beautiful collection of antique and vintage, well, pretty much, I think most of them are all antique, tins and such that she had on display above in her kitchen. She said she was kind of over it. My dad was like, I really like them. And she said, nope, they're going, and asked if I would like them. So her thought was that perhaps I could use some of them in... to make mystery boxes or whatever. However, if you're not aware, I have recently launched a second market, which is Restoration Harmony Home, and I thought that I won't be using all of these, and so I thought it would be great to be able to put some of these into the Restoration Harmony Home. So I wanted to show them to you really quick. It's going to be a quickie video, and I think I'm only keeping a few. I did consider keeping this one just because I feel like I could do something cool with it with my milk pogs in a jar and have it sitting next to it, but the verdict's out on whether I'm going to do that. And speaking of milk pogs, in this bag, or in this, it came in a apple bear basket. She gave me this, Eat, Sleep, Thrift, Repeat. It's from Goodwill. They must have stickers. I don't know. But there were all of these little things, and you know how much I like the milk pogs. So she had some of those, and she gave those to me. So these are from a place called Morgan Dairy. Doesn't say where. So these are cool. These are different. Oh, yep. South Sioux City, Nebraska. There you go. I really like this one. This one's nice. But this one, love the polka dots. So there was that in there. There was some old Red Cross adhesive tape. So I think I'll use this. I have a little display in a guest bath with a few little vintage kind of bathroom-y things. So I think I'll put that in there. And then this I just about threw out. I was like, well, I don't need that. It's just a lid to a baby food jar. However, this is from 1986. So I don't know why my mom had this and who was eating baby food in 1986, but this was the year before I graduated. So I don't know. But anyway, then I thought about it, and I'm like, I'm doing these baby journals. Maybe I can fashion something out of this, like to use in a dangle, because it does have the date on it, and I thought that was kind of cute. And then I had bought these on Temu, and I decided that perhaps I could make something like this fit inside of it. I don't know about this particular thing, and if it even goes with the theme, but I thought, well, we'll try it. But I thought I could put something that fits perfectly, put it in there. I could make it into a little, punch a hole in it, dangle some things maybe. So I kept it. Anyway, that was those. Now to the tins. Let me show you some of those that we have. Now, these were in my garage, so they might not be that clean. This is Benton Mixture, Turkish, Virginia, something, and Havana. Must have been Perique and Havana. Superior to any in the market. It's has a delicious flavor, smoked, sweet, and cool to the last whiff. So it's smoking tobacco. St. Louis, Missouri. There's the top. And there's the inside. Look at that. It's copper. Isn't that cool? I like this because it's orange. Then there was this one. This one's in rough shape. It was a baking powder. You can't really read it, but it's cool. And, oh, right on here. Same price, baking. 25 ounces. Baking powder for over 40 years. I can't get the lid off. There's that one. This one is the one I'm going to keep. And she probably knew that, I'm sure. But it is Artista watercolors. And if you know, I have a collection of vintage and antique art supplies. And so this will go on my shelf. My shelf is getting pretty full because when I put that 1920s McCall's pattern cabinet in here, I think I lost a little bit of display space. So this might have to go onto one of my shelves. But this is the one I'm going to keep. And then there are two more. Oh, no, there's more than that. Hang on. I put some of these inside. This one is an Edgemont cracker tin. It's big. And the lid's a little bit worse for it. But for display purposes, there's so many things you can do with these. Oh, I got a request. All right. So this one says Jewel of Virginia. Cameron, Virginia, USA. And it is pure Virginia leaf, mild and sweet. Must have been tobacco. It's got the sticker on it still. And factory number 4, 2nd District of Virginia. The rest is hard to read for me anyway. And she left a note. Can you make something for Nick with this can? Hunting, fishing, kayak, masculine. I can find charms. So this is, she wants me to make something out of this for my brother. Look at how cool that is on the bottom. So that one, I will be making something for my bro, yo. And then this is the last one. And I may keep this one with this, because I just think it's cute together. But it is grape nuts. I loved grape nuts. So these two I will be keeping to put on display. And my kitchen is very modern, so it won't go in my kitchen. But I think I can, I'm still working on a couple shelves in the craft room, so when I get those cleared off, I think I'll have plenty of room to display. And then this one I'll put with my art supplies. This one will be for my brother. These two are going to a new home. I love the top of that. And then as is the Edgemont crackers. Let's see if I can put these inside here so I can combine. And I may change my mind on the butter tins, but I don't know. It just reminds me of like when I was little, my mom has had those forever. So she's been collecting them for a long time. This is cool. It's got the Iowa stamp. It says Climax Smooth Plug, the Grand Old Chew. And then there's something inside of here. That's a cool tin. I mean, it's old and oh, holy cannoli. Antique buttons. Wow. Well, that's the fun. Thank you, Mama. Look at all of these. I'll have to go through some of these. And I have a place that I put all of these that, so I can get to them quick. And I do use them. I have some on display up on my shelves, some that were my grandma's and my great-grandma, or my grandma gave me that were my great-grandma's. Those I have up on display, but I have a lot that I can use. And I'll have to ask her if any of these have significance, or if they just came from, you know, one of her antique treasure hunts back in the day. Oh, look, there's a little, where'd that go? I'm getting my head in here. There's a little tag. Anyway, that is really fun. Very fun. So this will also be on RHH, Restoration Harmony Home. And I just wanted to show you those really quick. I needed to put them away, so I thought I would give you a little glimpse of what was gifted to me. It's always fun to get treasures that are from someone else and that they know you'll appreciate. So again, thank you, Mom. Thanks, Dad, for parting with them. I know you weren't thrilled about having to lose your beautiful display, but I'm sure there will be something else very, very pretty in that space. All right, friends. Well, until next time, remember to take time to just be. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers.